Okay, here we are at the London Bridge filming the boat parade. This is my second attempt. I was here last night, but found out after the fact that you can't be walking while you're trying to video because it's too jerky and everybody will get seasick. So here's the very first boat that's going by, and I have to go back by pretty fast or we'll run. This will get kind of boring if they don't. But okay, here we go on to the next. People are lined up and down this canal or this channel to Lake Havasu. They have fire pits, they have tables full of food, all the kids and the dogs are here. This is quite an event. Last night I thought was the biggest night, but they're here out in full force tonight too. I happen to be sitting right on the waterway, not far from the London Bridge, so got a good bird's eye view. Ooh, here comes some pretty ones. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? There they are. I'm sure you've all seen a Christmas boat parade before, but hey, you know, each one's different. I hope this is coming out clearly. Doesn't look too clear in my viewfinder thing. I don't know what all this music and the noise sounds like. I don't even know if you can hear me talk, but as long as you can see the pretty boats. I don't know if there's many boats here tonight as there was last night. It's, wow, looks kind of dark there for a minute. Like, I hope there's some more coming.
To John and Kathy Simpson, out there. From New Lake Havasu City, John and Kathy.
That's the boat that's making all the noise. Have another one. Only records for 10 minutes, and I know this parade is longer than that, so I hope this really cool one that came by last night comes before I run out of this video. But I'm sure you're having so much fun, you wouldn't mind that I would record a Christmas boat parade lights part 2. Next time I go on an adventure, I'm going to have to bring my tripod. And make it much more stable. Oh, here comes Santa in the next boat. Ho, 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 ho. There he is, floating down the river. I imagine this thing will just automatically stop when it runs out. Oh, here comes that boat that plays loud rock, Christmas rock music. Be interesting if it picks up on this microphone. That one's the one that's rocking out. Oh, excuse me, folks. I have to get up and dance. Oh, behind that one is a tiny, tiny little boat. Uh-oh, don't see anybody else coming behind him. Oh, I hope that's not all. Oh. Well, with the big distance between this little guy and... Oh, here comes the really cool one. Oh, goody, goody, goody. I hope I'm still recording. Come on, hurry up. Go fast, go fast. It's a great big choo-choo train float. It's like a couple boats hooked together. And it's put on by the Lake Havasu, a yachting club or boating club. Okay, let's look at it up in the distance. Where is it? There it is. Whoop. It's way cool. Uh-oh, I think my battery's running low. Something's flashing at me. Darn, darn. Oh well, I'm sure you're bored by now anyway. Oh, I bet that is the battery low thing. Oh well, we got one more boat here and then there aren't any for a while anyway, so that's okay. You got some to look at some of the best ones anyway. Oh, there's another big one behind this guy. Well, I'll just keep shooting until I run out of juice.